appliance reviews and tutorials video. We've got a towel rail here, and I just want to show you what can happen to them when they get a bit old and haven't had any maintenance. This is where she mounts up here, and you can see this is one with secret fittings. But what's happened is this has actually just gotten so loose over time, and if you have a look from the back, you see that that is just nowhere near round. What's happened is this has been tightened up and tightened up. It's just stretched this fitting here, so it has become out of round. That one's the same, and if you look on the wall, see how it's sticking out now? It's just all bent and deformed. Now, you can replace that, but you can also, I've been very successful just panel beating them back into shape. That just needs to be knocked back into shape. Now, if yours has come loose, there's quite a few different things to look at. Firstly, there's a little Allen key down underneath here. You can see it on this one. Allen keys are these guys here. Now, please don't write me and ask me what size. You need to buy a set. Just find the one, because they're not all the same. There's different size Allen keys in different fittings. So I'll put a link in the description for some good tools, for a drill, for some Allen keys, and also like a Phillips head screwdriver you're going to need to tighten up some things here. I'll put it, so get yourself some basic tools. Bless yourself. If you're going to fix things, it's going to be a whole lot easier if you've got some decent tools. So the base plate where this affixes is here. Now that's tight as. I will tighten that with my screwdriver to make sure it's good. So the main problem with this is that this has just gone so out of shape, and the screw in the back right here has come loose. So that's loose there. And what it's meant, because this was loose here and it's so deformed, these need to stay square and straight to hold the bars in here. But because it was flopping all over the place, it would open up and this front bar would drop out just because there was so much play. So what we're going to do is get both of these off. We're going to just get a hammer on a hard surface and just knock that back down to shape and get that round again. Obviously, we're going to have to wind the Allen key back. See how it's almost poking out there? It's so far through because it's so stretched. And then this will work as it should again. So when we get this guy off, we'll check these base screws, make sure they're tight. We'll tighten up the screw in the back. And then these are going to say, but look at that. It's no longer functioning as we want it to. This can be saved. I'll take you outside and show you how to. So this is how you get even, well, okay. What you're supposed to do is loosen this off. You just put your Allen key into the base there and undo that. That little pin will then drop down, which will come off here, and then you'll be able to get it off like that. Again, that's tight. So the problem's not there. The problem is, yeah, this is loose and this needs to be put back in shape. Let's go outside and straighten this. On the wooden workbench, it's pretty solid. You may have to get it on concrete. If you do, put it on a cloth so it doesn't scratch the living daylights out of this. So we just tap it. See, that's starting to return. That's getting much better. You want to do it little taps. Don't whack it down, because that's, if it cracks, if yours is cracked or torn in the metal, it's bin time and it needs to be replaced. It's getting much better. I'm going to come to the other side now. You see that's now looking round. That's what we want to do, just a little bit more. There we go. That's now round. So we'll tighten this screw up and then we'll put that back on and then we'll be away. Okay, so I discovered a little bit of a design flaw in these. When you screwed the screws up super tight, the screw was bottoming out, but it wasn't actually coming tight here. That's nice and tight now. What I had to do, so the screw was bottoming out, I mean the threading was ending and this wasn't getting tight. So I've just added a washer in underneath, had to do it to both of them. And now they've come up nice and tight. That's exactly what we want. So if you can't do it up with the screw, because the screw's bottoming out in the thread here, you can either cut a bit off the end of the screw, or putting a washer in lifts it up a little bit, and they've now both come up beautiful and tight. So what we're going to do now is assemble this and put it back up. Even though these guys felt really tight in the wall, they went up about half a turn, each screw, all four of them. So That's now better. So there's two sides of this. We now need to assemble it to put it on. So you're probably going to have to, good time to ask for help if there's someone else around. That's going to go on like that. And then this goes up. We put the top on and then come down over the top. That one's not fitting. So just make sure these are lined up nice and straight, both sides. Then we come up, hook over the top and then over the bottom. As I said, you may need to get someone to help. If you are doing this by yourself, like this one's really loose. So obviously we can screw this in a little bit and that might help it to hold in place. We'll see how we go. And then we just screw this up in a clockwise direction. Okay, we've tightened both of those up. Have a look at the link in the description to the tools I've sent. Don't buy a set where they all sort of flick out. You're not going to be able to get it up there. For these secret fittings, you're hard up against the wall. So you need to get ones where you can remove the actual Allen key out. Now, have a look at that fitting there. Remember how that was all bananaed out? Look at it now, sitting nice and flat. Just by squashing it back down, getting it back to its original shape. And have a look. That's just that moving. That's now tight. That's now tight. Not going anywhere. So that's now fixed, ready to go again. And again, I have got these nice and tight. And of course, if this gets way pressed down, lots of weight, like if someone hangs on it or whatever, it is going to stretch these fittings in use. But there you go. That's restored, that's repaired. Looks perfect, is perfect. Off we go. Okay, thanks for watching.